Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe, let us know what you think. Let us know who we should draw next. We like reading your comments. Today we are going to draw Juan Soto of the New York Yankees. Dominican pro baseball player, plays in the outfield. He previously played for the Washington Nationals and San Diego Padres, and then actually made his major league debut in 2015. He was a key role in the Washington Nationals World Series championship. So let's draw Juan Soto. He's really doing well this year. Find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across. And then we are going to bump up and do his head right here. So I got my dark marker, and I'm going to start with Juan Soto's face. We're going to go down, do a slight curve in, chin, curve, and up. Juan Soto has this kind of long pointy chin, so let's connect here with the brim of the hat. I'm going to make a slight arch, bump, bump, and connect this hat the best we can. Doesn't have to be perfect, never is. So we make two lines up from the face for the hat, curve up to a point, curve down, and curve to connect. All right, let's draw some ears. Juan Soto has kind of bigger ovals for ears popping out on the side. Let's do his eyes right here. Arch, arch. Now we're gonna make these kind of sideways jelly beans because he's smiling. When people smile, their eyes kind of get skinnier and squintier. There we go. We'll do a circle over here, a circle over here, small circle, arch, arch. And I'm going to fill in this area with the dark marker. I'm going to leave these circles white on the inside of the eyes. Those represent the reflections of the sky or the lights. And what I like to do is, you know what, I'm gonna get this color. It's kind of a tan, and I'm gonna fill this in, this area in with a tan for Juan Soto's eyes. Just to add a little bit of color, a little bit of interest to the picture. All right, so now we got a bump up and down, angle up and down for the eyebrow, up and connect. Same thing, up and connect. See, kind of like these triangle tops. All right, so bring the edge of the eye down, make a dot. Edge of the eye, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. That's the width of the nose there. Down, up. And on the side, I make these sideways raindrops. Bump out, and then I'm gonna make a circle on top. Juan Soto's got more of a rounded nose, so I made this little circle to make it look like a kind of a circular nose. Should we make him smile? Let's do it. We're gonna make him smile. So the center of the face, we're gonna come down just below the nose, make a dot. That'll be the top of the lip or the mouth. Up and out, up and down and out, kind of like a flying bird. See that? And we're gonna bring from the corner down and up. Okay? Smile lines on the side, from the nose, and we're gonna do a smile line, smile line. He's got these big, and then his chin comes down. Okay? He's smiling. So all these, when people smile, they get a lot of these wrinkles that pop up. All right, so let's do, I like to color the inside corners of the mouth dark. And then I like to color the teeth there. All right, so let's make the neck come down, 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 come to a V, connect, slant, slant for shoulders, down, down for the shoulders. Now over here I'm gonna draw a circle for the baseball, okay? Here we go. Big oversized baseball. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding onto that baseball. angle down for the sleeve, up, angle down for his shirt, come across, come up, angle down, connect. All right, doing pretty good, doing pretty good. So right here we're gonna do this kind of bean, sideways jelly bean kind of shape. That's his hand holding onto the bat. So his arm's gonna come and connect. His arm's gonna come down and connect, bump out. What he's doing right now is he's got this baseball bat, bump, bump, angle down. It starts skinny at the top, comes down, starts skinny. I go slow and connect. We don't need to go fast, you can just draw slow lines. Now over here we need to connect his arm into this baseball. So angle down, angle down. There we go. He's got a belt, so we'll do a rectangle, connect to the waist, connect to the waist. Let's do some baseball pants, come down, curve and go up, down, and stop at the bat, because the bat's in front of the leg. Bring this waist down and stop at the bat. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 big cleats. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big bump out for the shoe. Come straight across, and we're gonna stop about where the heel is. And bring this heel down. Come across. Bring the toe up. 1, 2, 3 into the baseball bat. All right, so we've got Juan Soto kind of blocked out here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our navy blue. Let's see if I got kind of a dark blue. And I'm gonna do the New York Yankees symbol right here, just so you can see it. Pop out, down, curve up. The Y comes down. And we're gonna do it a little thicker on the bottom. Make it a little thicker so it stands out. Sometimes it's good to even do a Google search of the logos. I always used to like that. When I was a little kid, I would always Google, or not Google, I would always draw logos of the teams. That's how I learned to do them. This is the t-shirt underneath, so I'm gonna angle from the shoulder down to the armpit, shoulder down to the armpit, and we'll do some stripes. Try to leave them spaced equally. Just go slow. And now we're gonna do the center of the shirt coming down to the belt, and we'll do some stripes. Angle from the shoulder, angle from the neck, stop at the logo, come down. Stripes on the pants, just come from the belt. Doesn't have to be perfect, we're just having a good time. Okay, so basically we have it blocked out. Now what I'm gonna do later is I'm gonna color this whole hat blue, and then I'm gonna come over it. I'm gonna get my Prismacolor pencil, this white pencil. Okay, these Prismacolors are high quality color pencils. Talk to your parents or click on the link in our description and you can buy your own Prismacolors. But once this is all blue, I'll come over it with white and do a Yankees logo. Okay, so we're gonna fast forward now. We appreciate you guys joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Please subscribe, let us know who we should draw next. Fast forward now.